Yoga Ed is an educational program dedicated to changing education through the practice of yoga. Our mission is to empower school communities with yoga to cultivate health and wellness in children and teens. Through evidence-based professional institutes, professional development, and educational resources, Yoga Ed equips educators with tools to integrate yoga into academic environments for children and teens.
The Yoga Ed Professional Institute focuses on both the teacher and the student. Educators are encouraged to embody the Yoga Ed teaching philosophy to cultivate positive relationships with themselves and their students. With an emphasis on child development, the institutes teach educators how to better relate to their students and tailor yoga classes to optimize student learning potential. Through dynamic teaching techniques, educators will learn yoga breathing, postures, and relaxation to develop essential physical, emotional, cognitive, social, and academic skills. Educators emerge with the confidence to apply yoga education in various school settings.